Formula are fantastic for giving us those precise results we need in our spreadsheets, but sometimes we just want a quick overview. And let's say we want to have a quick overview of how many coconut bars were sold in Glasgow. Let's have a quick look at the filter command. So on your Home tab, go across to the far right and choose Sort and Filter. Click the drop down, click the filter, and now we can see we've got little drop downs in each cell. We can choose Glasgow. We can then choose bars. And finally, we can choose coconut. Okay. And that gives us a rough idea of how our coconut bar sales are going in Glasgow. Quick, simple, effective.